Foundation cracks can totally freak you out, but knowing the difference between cosmetic and structural cracks is clutch if you want to avoid wasting cash or missing a serious problem. So, here's the deal. Cosmetic cracks are usually those tiny hairline ones that just sit on the surface, like little lines in your drywall or concrete, and they don't really mess with the actual strength of your foundation. You can often fix these with some simple patching or paint touch-ups, no biggie. Structural cracks, though, are a whole different beast. They're wider, deeper, and might even come with other warning signs like walls that bow out or doors and windows that suddenly don't shut right. If you spot any of these, it's a red flag to call in a pro because ignoring them could lead to major damage down the road. To keep things tight, keep an eye on your foundation regularly, especially after heavy rains or shifts in weather. Don't forget to check for uneven floors too. That's another hint something's up. Also, make sure your gutters and downspouts direct water away from your house so moisture doesn't mess with your foundation soil. And if you're doing any landscaping or big projects around your home, think about how it might impact drainage or soil stability. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation cracks is brushing off structural cracks as just cosmetic. They might look similar at first glance, but ignoring the wider, deeper ones with wall bowing can lead to thousands in repairs later. Another common issue is not watching for door and window misalignments that signal foundation movement. Fixing those early can save you a lot of headache. Lastly, folks often forget to maintain proper drainage around their home. Standing water near the foundation can cause soil to shift and crack your foundation worse. The fix? Get a professional inspection when in doubt, track any changes over time, and always make sure water is flowing away from your house. BigHomeProjects.com is a killer resource if you're trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to foundation repairs or any home project. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros, so everyone wins.